Okay, so in today's video, we're gonna go over the new lap timer. So I've used various lap timers in the past, aim solo, from the race box, the various kinds of race box, to using the transponder if the organization supports it. And I've actually used the Dragy Pro lap timer, which is essentially the same concept as the race box. It's a standalone lap timer where you could pair it with your phone. You collect the data after the fact. With these standalones, you could do a live dashboard if you have a phone that supports it. However, a lot of people would just slap it on, turn it on, and then ride. And Dragy, this brand, super cool brand, came out with a new unit. This is the Dragy OBD2. So this means that it's gonna plug into your ECU and pull various data from your ECU, whatever data that's supported. Dragy, if it can pull it, it'll pull it, and yeah, you could have a live dashboard where you can see the current status of your vehicle, whether that's a motorcycle or a car. Okay, so when it comes to quote-unquote the installation of the Dragy, honestly, you could put it on anywhere, as long as it's exposed to the sky, I believe. But frankly, I know people who leave it in their suits, in their saddlebag, wherever, and then it'll still work. For me, I have a little Velcro, and also it's magnetic, so it'll stick to your tank. It'll just slap on right here and it won't go anywhere. So this one is good to go. Okay, so when it comes to the Dragy OBD2, for whatever bike you might have and whatever applicable plug you might have, you do need an adapter, because I believe no motorcycle comes out with a 16-pin plug-in for your OBD2 or diagnostic port. So anywho, and for this Kawasaki, this is a Ninja 400. This uses a 16 to 4 pin OBD2 connection, and I actually bought the adapter cable. So the cable is right here, as you can see, 16 pin, and I have it routed so that it's easily accessible. I can plug it in like so, and yeah, it should work in theory. Okay, I'm gonna just try plugging it in. I'm not gonna keep this as the final setup, final build, meaning that I'm probably gonna undo the fairing after I plug it in, and I'll tuck it away so that's secure once I check that everything works. So for now, I'm just gonna plug it in and see what the startup sequence looks like with my spare phone. Alrighty, so the Dragy OBD2 is connected and my spare phone is ready. Let's try it. I'm gonna turn on the bike or give it some power. There is a separate app. This is the Dragy Lap, parentheses OBD. Let's see what it does. Okay, so it says connect to Dragy. Does this also mean I could turn on the bike right now or no? I don't know what to do first. Here, I'm just gonna fire the bike on. I think the actual GPS unit, the lap timer one, this one's out of battery. So let me try turning the bike on and see if the OBD connects.